Hi everyone, today we're going to have an introduction to including sound in our animations. Here's an animation that you've seen before a few tutorials ago, and you can see that I have changed my timeline. Instead of using the constant F6, 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 I'm now using motion tweens to animate my car and my shark. Ooh! Okay, now what I want is the sound of a car kind of revving up and then making its journey down the slope, and then it's going to rise up, and I think when the shark kind of gets into sight around about here, there's going to be a scream from the human being inside the car. Okay, so let's look at how to put sound into our animation. I went to a website called freesfx.com, and I created an account. It's free, so that's why I chose it. And I searched around and I finally found a car rev and wheel spin sound. And let's just listen to that. Yeah, that will do the job. Brilliant. So I'm going to download it. Do I have to log in? I thought I'd already logged in. I'm not going to tell you my password. Go ahead and make your own account. Let's do a search for car rev and wheel spin. Hopefully we'll find something. No, it didn't come up. What a pain. Now I've got to try and find that again. It took me ages to find it, by the way. This is one of the problems with searching for sounds. Let's see how long it takes me to find that sound. If it takes too long, I'm going to give up and we'll start again. If I remember, it was round about page 5, maybe page 6. Let's just keep looking. Give me a moment. Car rev and wheel spin. Car rev and wheel spin. Come on. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Here we go. Are we going to find it in time, or am I just wasting your time now? Well, there's another spin. I want that one that I had before. I'm such a perfectionist. This is my problem. Car rev and wheel spin. Come on. Car start. No. Car start rev. No. No. Oh, that's such a shame. I'm sorry, guys. I'm wasting your time. Oh, there it is. Car rev and wheel spin. Brilliant. Just check. That's the one. Download. Sorry if I just wasted a couple of minutes of your time. So I'm going to download that. It's downloaded. There it is. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to look at it in the downloads folder on my computer. And so it's currently in the downloads folder of my computer. That's not where I'm going to be keeping it. That's a terrible thing to do. I'm going to cut that away from there, and I'm going to find my project folder for my Flash projects. This is my car project. I've already set up a file called a folder, so I'm going to save it in there. I do not like the name of this, car rev and wheel spin away then blah blah. No, it's just too long. I'm going to rename it car sound. Now it could be that I import another car sound later to my animation, so I'm just going to call this car sound 1, because maybe later I'm going to have car sound 2. Brilliant. Safe. Now all I have to do is import it to my animation, and I'm going to import it first to the library. So file, import to library. Brilliant. And let's see if we can find that file. It should be easy to find because I stored it in my project folder. Never going to go missing. There it is. Easy to see, easy to find. And there it is, car sound 1. So what I'm going to do, let me just pull this up. I'm going to create a new layer called car sound, and let's just lock all the other layers. I'm now going to drag that car sound into the movie. Brilliant! We got it. Let's test the movie. Oh dear. That's not what I want. Oh no. The movie's finished playing, but the car sound is continuing. The car sound is too long. Oh man, what am I going to do about that? First of all, how can I stop it? Has it stopped? Alright, so that wasn't very good. What I need to figure out is I need the car sound for this length of the movie. And this is about, let's have a look, 39 frames long. I need 39 frames worth of sound. But how long is that? How many seconds? Well, my movie is playing at 24 frames in 1 second. So 24 frames of my movie takes 1 second to play. So 48 seconds will be 48 frames will be 2 seconds, right? What's next? 24, 48, 72. 72 frames will be 3 seconds. So if my length of movie is 72, I take that number and I divide it by the frame rate. Well, let's just do that with this number. This number is 39 frames, and we're going to divide that by 24. Let's just get a calculator. I have, oops, let's get rid of that. Where is my calculator? I have 39 frames of data, and I'm going to divide that by the frame rate of my movie, which is 24. I require 1.6 seconds of sound. That's what I need. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to find a way to edit my sound file, because at the moment it's too long. So I'm going to right-click on this and I'm going to open it with a sound editor. Hopefully you've got one on your computer, or you can download a free one if that's what you need to do. I'm going to use Adobe Audition. So there's the sound. I only require 1.6 seconds. Oh, I like that. That's good. Oh, that's nice. So 5 to 6.6. That's 1.6 seconds of sound. Let's just play that. Okay, it's not perfect, but let's just carry on because we need to see how this works. So I'm going to isolate that sound. How can I do that? I used to know how to do this. How do I do it? Select the inverse. How do I do this? File, save selection. That's it. I'm going to save this selection as car sound 101. Okay, that's fine. And it's going to my desktop. No, it's not. I'm going to save it in my Flash folder. Car sound 101. Okay. So that selection has been saved. Let's go back to Flash and import that to my library. There it is. I'm going to trash that layer. I'm going to make a new layer, and again this is just car sound, and we'll drag it on. This is the new file. Boom. And let's test it. Brilliant. That is exactly what we're talking about. So, if any of that made sense, have a go at putting some sound with an appropriate length into your animation.